Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So friends, viewers, in today's videos I am going to show you the amazing and latest collection of Burmese dresses and the transitional dresses of Myanmar, which looks stunning and amazing, and I hope you will also like this videos. Let's will. So viewers, as you can see, both beautiful or amazing studio, amazing shows. Latest design with beautiful and Burmese dresses designs. Both beautiful and amazing studios. Neck designs, sleeve designs, and printed shirts, and a lot of beautiful color combination are also added in these videos. I hope you will enjoy these videos. So watch these videos. Tell the show you. Enjoy more beautiful and amazing ideas. Combination hand color are amazing different color combination printed shirts, design neck designs, sleeve designs, so they can also enjoy these amazing and gorgeous ideas. Gorgeous neck designs and viewers. Also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon button. If you press the bell icon button, then you will get all the notifications on. And also comment and tell us which type of video you want to see. So we will make the videos into request. Next time you can easily tell us if any type of video, like any type of dresses, design shoes, design bags, anything which which is related to fashion. You can easily tell us in the comment sections, and we will make the videos in your request. And viewers, as you can see this beautiful and amazing collection for the Myanmar. Blue dresses, transition dresses, and you can easily wear this and carry this beautiful dress is on an special day of the year and in an important day of year.